So there's a superfood out there that everybody overlooks or doesn't even know about. It can help with heart health, liver support, diabetes. It can help with your blood sugar levels, and it's great for digestive processes. There's vitamins, minerals inside here, especially vitamin K, and what it is the artichoke. You got to try it out. It is a forgotten superfood. So I realized that a lot of people don't even know what an artichoke is. This is an artichoke. But this is an artichoke plant. It's actually two. There's two plants here. It's pretty cool. You can see there's lots of artichokes all over the place in here. But these ones, you get that little squeak when you squeeze them. That means they're ready. These little ones, they're just firm. They're not ready. But this is going to help when we cut these ones off that are ready to go. That's going to help all these smaller ones start to open up and get bigger. We're going to go down about my finger length, half my finger length, and cut it off flat. So that's the first artichoke. Clean cut.
They started showing artichokes a month ago.
So a month ago they started, and they were itty bitty, like, I don't know if you can see it, like these ones right here. But these are perfect size. We've got 6 of them, which is going to be plenty for dinner. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not in my kitchen. These are freshly grown. You can't grow these in Alaska. That being said, if you can grow them in Alaska, let me know. A lot of times you see people online when they're prepping their artichokes, they come in and they cut all the tips off because they're scary. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that at all. What we are going to do is we're going to split these in half. I do not mean half this way. Half this way. And you're just going to cut straight down through. And it opens up to this beautiful inside. There's several different layers in here. The outer layer is got the most photosynthesis, and it carried all of that light in for energy for the plant. This next little layer in here, these are the internal leaves, and they got that pigmentation of that purple, and that means that they're a really healthy artichoke. And then these feathers, I call them feathers. If you want to call them something else, call them something else. These feathers, when it blooms, these are flowers. This is actually a flower. And this will bloom, and it opens up and sets out these great big seed pods. Actually, it's not a great big seed pod. It's like the feathery stuff that'll float around. But the seed is about that big. We're going to get these cut. We're going to boil them in some lemon juice and water. A little bit of lemon juice. Water mainly. Only for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to take them out, and that's where we're going to brine them, soak them in our flavors that we want. Because we're going to grill these ones. I know you've seen me cook these a different way, but we're going to grill these ones on the Weber charcoal barbecue. The best way to do it. These are cut open. Now we got to clean out those feathers. You can see the bottom of the feathers there. So we're just going to go on the bottom of them and peel out all the feathers. So this is everything that came out of the artichokes that we peeled out. And here are the artichokes.
A little lemon water.
A little bit of lemon water in there. That'll prevent them from drowning, and we're also going to cook it in it. And that's going to start breaking it down just a little bit before we get ready to brine them to get on the barbecue. Okay, so here are the artichokes right after they came out of the boiling water. Like I said, we didn't put them in there so that they're going to be super tender, because we're going to continue to cook them later. Right now, what we're going to do is we are going to mix our dressing. So we're going with four tablespoons of some freshly minced garlic, minced out of the container. We're going in with half a cup of some high quality olive oil, third of a cup of some high quality balsamic vinegar. So there we go, on in. Okay, I'm being directed by the other chef.
There we go.
That we needed a little bit.
More. There we go.
Italian dressing. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this. You can choose to add it or not. It's up to you. And whisk it up. There's fats vinegars. So when you're doing this, you're wanting to beat some air into it. That way that does all try to combine together. All right, we're going to give it a taste. Make sure it hits the profiles that we want. Perfect. Confirmation from the head chef. So all we're going to do is we're going to go on and ladle some of this in, and there'll be plenty, so I'm going to go back, but I just want to make sure everything gets this goodness. Don't be stingy, and this is enough to do these 3 artichokes. Then salt and pepper just over the top. Add as much or as little as you want. I don't know why I'm not using Chef Dad smoked salt.
Not fine enough.
It's not fine enough. So now I need to make a fine Chef Dad smoked salt for the head chef. Okay, here we go. So we're just going to go over the top. And I'm just going to dust them at first. If people want to add more in the end, they can add more. Same with the pepper. So there they are. They're going to sit, and we're going to let them sit for 2 to 3 hours and just let all that richness and that. The vinegar is also going to help break them down a little bit. But this flavor is going to be amazing. I wish you could smell it in here. The smell of fresh artichokes that just boiled are phenomenal. Okay, I failed to tell you that we are going to be having pork ribs with our artichokes, which is part of that superfood meal. Maybe not, but should have pork ribs with your artichokes. Here's our beautiful pork ribs. So we're going to take these off, get them wrapped up, get them back on the grill, and just let them go. And then after these are done, we're going to take them off, let them rest, and get our artichokes on. And these are not sweet ribs. If you want the recipe for these beautiful ribs, let me know in the comments down below. So here's the ribs all boated up. Not boated, but they're wrapped good. We're not going to set these right over the coals. We're just going to set these right on this side and let them go for about an hour. All right, here's the artichokes after they've marinated a while. I've had a tough time coming up with that word, apparently. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to set them leaf side down, just like you see them right here on the tray. I'm going to set them right over the coals. They are not going to take long. Whoop. And then we're going to take them and we're going to flip them over and do face side down until we get the perfect grill that we want. And there we go. There's them on the grill. We're going to cover them up. We'll bring you back in just a minute when we flip them over. All right, so we're going to flip these over. It's 5 to 10 minutes per side, give or take. So we're just going to get these flipped over face side down. And we're going to get that fragrance from all that extra dripping down on top. And this is what the bottom should look like. Now we're going to get this closed back up and let them finish. I got it flamed up a little bit, so I'm going to close it down and let it just settle down. Settle down. 5 to 10 minutes, we'll bring it back and show you what we got. We didn't clean the tray. All that is going to just add to the goodness. We're just going to pull these off, and it's time to serve dinner. See them? And like I said, if you want the recipe to these amazing ribs, which are a must with the artichokes, let me know in the comments down below. I got to dive into this artichoke. So I don't know if you've eaten artichokes before. The heart down here, you got to wait for that. But that's meat all on the bottom of this. Down here. And he just stuck his finger in my artichoke. Tip it upside down, put it in your mouth, and you're going to scrape it all off with your bottom teeth. And that is amazing.
Sometimes people dip them in butter and garlic or mayonnaise.
So, yeah. Like you said, sometimes people do it in butter and garlic and mayonnaise. My go-to is always mayonnaise. Best Foods mayonnaise. Not sponsored, but they should. But we got to take a bite of the ribs. I mean, did you see how that pulled apart? Let me show you one more time. If you haven't had artichokes before, they're super simple. For your first time, look it up online. You boil them for an hour with some water, some apple cider vinegar, peel it off, and try it before you dip it in anything. They're amazing, and they are good for you. High in fiber. They are heart healthy. They are liver cleanse. They're high, like I said, high in fiber, but they are diabetic friendly too. They help control your blood sugar levels. Thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate everybody's support through these last 8 months that I've been going through what I've been going through. Please keep commenting, sending your support or your hate. I mean, if that's what you want to do, YouTube picked this video for you. I picked that video for you. That is the subscription button. I need every one of you that watches this movie just to smash it, crush it, destroy it. Then take that subscription button and send it to somebody else and just say, support this guy. Thanks, everybody. Big shout out to my cousin Greg and Melinda for the recipe.